Facebook advertisements can also be set up to target a specific audience. For example, if you wanted to just advertise toward the people that had liked your page, then that would be very possible. If you wanted to target people that hadn't liked your page, you could do it that way. And to set this up, all you need to do is come into your ad manager and select audiences from the left side. And from here you see it has a create a custom audience, and the other ones below that, such as the create a lookalike and save a target group. We'll get into that in a later video, but first we're going to look at create a custom audience. And from here you're going to match things like emails, phone numbers, Facebook IDs, things like that. And if you have a list of email, say you have an email list with phone numbers, emails, that kind of thing, you can actually import it into Facebook and use that to advertise through Facebook as well, which that would automatically make it much easier and faster to get your advertisement to the targeted people, because those would be considered to be people that maybe had already subscribed to your content. So maybe you had been collecting emails or building an email list over the last few years or whatever, and maybe you have a great number of emails. Maybe you only have a few, but either way, you can always import those in here and add them to your targeted audience. Or if you just wanted to target those particular people, then you could do that very easily by uploading it here, or copying and pasting your custom list, or using MailChimp or any other type of email list creator that you may have used. But it's a very good way to get your Facebook advertisements to the appropriate people. So keep that in mind when you're building your advertisements. You can target specific audience very easily using this feature inside of the ad manager.